Alright, I'm gonna show you some things that I bought off of monoprice.com. This came in today. I still haven't opened it. I just cut it open. I recommend this website. They sell really good, a lot of things, a lot of accessories at a really good price. Okay, this is a 6-hole wall, 6-hole keystone wall plate. It's a wireless adapter. Instead of connecting a Cat 6 or Cat 5 cable, these are the keystones. Now this is I use this cable to connect to my laptop to the TV, and this is an HDMI cable. It, okay, see, as you can look at that, it looks brand new, very good quality HDMI cable, 28 American wire gauge, Cat 6 Ethernet cable, and this is the wireless adapter thing. It's a 300 mpg, so it works really well. So I recommend this website.